The Hurricane is one of our easiest to fly warbirds. It's light and robust, making it the perfect introduction to sportier models with low wings. When set up correctly, it flies as though it's on rails and can cruise around nicely at scale speeds. The kit comes with a vacuum-formed canopy and other details such as exhaust stacks. It's not supposed to be a highly detailed scale model, but rather a boiled down, easy to build aircraft that's all about the fun. The wing is held on with rubber bands, which helps protect the model if you have a crash, and the radiator pops off so you don't have any chance of breaking it on landing. But how does this plane perform in the air? Well, here's some air-to-air video. If you'd like to get offers, articles, and news about new products, make sure to sign up to our newsletter on our website. We send it out once a week on Friday.